Hello everybody, let's work on our wing block. Now, it needs to be said, the wing block is not a traditional tuxedo block, but it is a very effective block in street self-defense situations, so we practice it. Good. It doesn't really have a jam load, so what we're going to do is just go straight into the block. We want to turn our body, take our hand, and grab the back of our head like this. Good. Notice how I'm forming a tight triangle against my head? Good. Wing block. Opposite. Wing block. Opposite. Wing block. Opposite. Wing block. Opposite. One more. Height. Height. Good. The goal is to turn the body away from the danger and protect your head. Keep your arm as close to your head as possible. You don't want to be out like this. Keep it as close to your head as possible to prevent any sort of impact against your head. Good. Practice what you learned. Make it rock. Whoops. That is our wing block. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.